To grow and propagate impatiens in water and soil from cuttings, the first step is to take cuttings. Take impatiens cuttings in spring. The impatiens softwood cuttings easily root, so look for healthy fresh growth on the impatiens plant. Take 3 to 4 inch long cuttings. Using clean disinfected tools, or just cut the stem by your hand. The cuttings should have at least 1 node from where the roots will grow roots. Now prepare cuttings. Remove all bottom leaves, and keep a few at the top. Cut larger top leaves into half. Also remove any flowers or flower buds on the cuttings. This will help plant use all its energy reserves for root formation. Method 1. Grow impatiens in water. Now take a clean glass bottle and fill some water in it. Rub the cuttings with fresh aloe vera gel and place in water. You can add aloe vera gel in water also. This step of aloe vera gel is optional. Its use will speed up rooting. Place the bottle in bright shade, at a warm place, away from direct sunlight. Change the water every 2 or 3 days to prevent rot. You will see healthy young white roots growing on the cuttings. Plant the rooted impatiens cuttings into a pot in free-draining potting soil. Method 2. Propagate impatiens in soil. To propagate impatiens cuttings in soil, take and prepare the cuttings in spring as shown above. Plant the cuttings directly in free-draining soil. Make a hole and plant the cutting. Do not push. Cover the planted cuttings with a bottle and keep in shade at a warm place. Keep the soil moist. The cuttings will root in a few weeks. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more gardening and plant propagation videos. Thanks for watching and happy gardening.